Hi guys. Does this doesn't it look great? Just look at the view. My God. Yes guys, that's my town. This is where I live. Okay. So I hope all of you are doing great. This has been I'm so in love with this. Okay. See, can you see this? No, I cannot rotate it right now. Or maybe I can and then show you really nice. This would be so great. The weather is so good. Actually, it's right now that the weather. See, this happens. This generally happens. And yeah, that's all. Oh, I was about to give you a brief. I'm so sorry. See, that's how my mind is working. I think I'm nervous. I'm not nervous actually. I have been in front of the camera like a hell lot of time. Actually, there was like my cousin that he was watching. He was not watching. He was there. So I got quite nervous. And there are people there, like on the road, on the street. So yeah. Stores. So yeah, I got pretty nervous. That's fine. Since I like to make videos and I'm very I'm confident in front of the camera. That's one thing. I'm confident in front of the camera because I used to be on the TikTok. I used to be on TikTok, guys. That's the thing. I used to be on TikTok. But I actually oh my God, I can I literally guys, I cannot show you. I cannot show you guys. Okay, it's gone now, but there is a bird flying, so I thought this interview would be really good. Okay, so I'm Himasala Bharadwaj. I am doing my engineering. I am in 7th semester. I was in 6th semester, but due to Corona, we got promoted, and I'm here in the last semester right now. And the last year, so life is going to be difficult after this, which I know. And so I am actually, the main purpose of creating this channel is to able to capture it for rest of my life, because eventually what happens if I'll not upload it, or if I'll not I'll capture these memories and eventually I'll delete it, because either my memory storage is gonna get filled up or something will happen. But if I'll not utilize these clips, I am eventually gonna delete this footage. I know that about myself. No, about myself क्या सभी करते हैं. And yeah, for starters, I'm a pure proper Assamese girl. But I'll be talking in English and Hindi. Why? I don't know. Because I like to. Because whenever I'm alone, I talk to myself even in English. I don't know why I do that, but I do that. When I'm angry, I talk to people in English. Yes, I do that. होता है ना, होता है, बहुतों का होता है ये. मुझे बहुत बाद में पता चला, but बहुतों का होता है ये. They use different language for when they're very emotional or angry or disappointed, or things happen to them. Okay, so right now you may not be able to see my face because it's getting darker and darker. Yes, but someday you will. I think in the next video. Today I'm just walking, and for starters I'm just making this video how many times did I have said for starters, for starters, for starters? If somebody can count, please count it and let me know in the comment section. That would be so funny to like, oh my god. Yes. So I just want to keep my memory safe and should be there like out in the world that I did this on that day and I did this on this day, so that if like there are some things, no, that if you were happy, we are happy. I love seeing you happy. That makes me happy. If someday I grow this big community for myself, where people are like, where I am happy for my people to be happy, and when they are happy to see me happy, that'd be so great. Like when I'll come back and I'll see like, can you see that, guys? That's, can you see that? That's beautiful. That isn't that beautiful. I'm gonna capture a moment here. That's great, guys. So yes, so the channel, yeah, so just for that purpose I am seeing like all these YouTube videos, and people are like for example, when like this LDR first met, long distance relationship first met, this is like so good and so amazing to watch. If someday I found someone and like I could capture it like that, it would be so great. I just think of those things and I feel so great. And if that's gonna be on YouTube, I think you will also like that. Actually, that's gonna be like a tracker in my life. Like YouTube is going to be going to have my life track. Like, yes, you did this and then you did that and then you did that, and if I'm growing with you. If I'm not, then I'm not. And that will be great, guys. Yeah. Yes. And that's, I think, all for like now, because I don't know, because I have nothing else to say. I don't know why I'm doing this. Yes. See you in the next video if I post any. Yes. And I'm gonna keep it raw. I think I'll post it like this only, without editing anything, without cutting anything out, and less, because I want to see how YouTube works, and is this gonna do something. If it does, it will be so great. And I think for the rest of the videos also, I'm gonna keep it as raw as possible, until and unless I'm not using the curse words, or maybe even after using the curse words, I'm gonna, I think, keep it as raw as possible, because that is me, guys. That's me. If I'm creating a channel for myself and for like my people, then you have the right to know me. And if I'm thinking of growing it by myself, this is it. Yes. And to the person who motivated me, I'm obviously gonna comment. I'm gonna link this video in her comment, and tell her a thank you for letting me do this. And thank you. And thank you if you're watching this. It is highly appreciated. Yes. Thank you so much, guys.